things I have seen also putting aside us being involved and how much it has influenced book designs. I see book in a bunch of books that we have seen subsequent to that because it broke all the conventions. You know, any cookbook, I'll just say this, and I'm speaking to industry insiders, so it's neither here nor there, but book publishing in general has a lot of rules. And the cookbook world in particular, like, lives and dies on the sword of its rules. And so you get, book covers have to have X, they have to have Y, they have to have Z. And going back to the period that we put the book together, it was in the middle of 2020. And it was the only portal of time that would have allowed for something like this to happen. This cover at any, if it was 2021, 2019, and everything going back and forward in time, this cover would have never happened. That's how important it is to know context. This cover would never exist. And I'm also not sure the book would have existed too. We basically created, we took advantage, and we were canny enough to know that we had a window of time to make this book. And we got the book that he set out to make. It would never have happened otherwise.